Most people fail at choosing a portable power station for one specific reason. They compare brands without a framework. They scroll through specs, get overwhelmed, and either overspend or buy something useless. Sound familiar? Today we fix that. We are going deep on the top brands, real specs, and the exact decision process that saves you money. By the end, you will know precisely which station fits your life and your budget. No guesswork, no wasted dollars. Let's get into it. Here's the real problem. There are dozens of portable power station brands: Jackery, EcoFlow, Anker, SOLIX, Bluity, Goal Zero, each with 10 to 20 models. The specs look similar on paper. Watt hours, output watts, battery chemistry, it is a minefield. Most buyers guess. They pick based on price alone or a random YouTube ad. Then they discover their station cannot run their fridge or it dies after 200 cycles. That is a $500 to $2,000 mistake. It is completely avoidable, and you are about to learn exactly how to avoid it. The fix is a simple 4-step framework from PortablePowerLife. Step 1, decide exactly what you need to power. Step 2, choose the safest and most efficient option that fits those needs. Step 3, test it on a small scale before committing to a full system. Step 4, improve and expand from there. This process strips away the noise. It turns a confusing brand war into a clear, confident decision. Every product category we cover in this video runs through this exact method. Follow it, and you will not get it wrong. First up, Life P04 battery technology. This is the single biggest upgrade in portable power right now. Unlike older lithium-ion cells, Life P04 batteries offer 3,000 to 5,000 charge cycles, far better thermal stability, and zero risk of thermal runaway. The flagship station highlighted by PortablePowerLife features a 1,070 watt-hours Life P04 battery. That capacity handles a full camping weekend or a 24-hour emergency blackout with ease. If longevity and safety are your top priorities, and they should be, Life P04 is non-negotiable. Do not settle for less. Next, output power. This is where most buyers get burned. They buy a 300-watt station and then wonder why it cannot run their CPAP machine, mini fridge, or power tools. The PortablePowerLife featured station delivers 1,500 watts AC output. That covers most home appliances, power tools, and medical devices running simultaneously. Pair that with a 100 watts USB-C port, and you can fast charge a laptop from 0% to 80% in under 1 hour. High output is not a luxury. For real-world use cases, it is the difference between a useful tool and an expensive paperweight. Third category, charging speed. This is a game changer for RV users and emergency preppers. Nobody wants to wait 8 hours for a recharge when a storm is coming or a trip starts tomorrow. The featured station on PortablePowerLife charges from 0% to 100% in just 1 hour. That is faster than most laptops on the market. For solar input, this matters even more. Shorter charge windows mean more usable energy on cloudy days. When comparing brands, always check the full recharge time, not just the solar input wattage. Speed equals reliability when it counts most. Fourth, versatility across use cases. The best power station handles camping, emergencies, RV trips, and off-grid living without needing a different unit for each situation. PortablePowerLife's top pick covers all 4 scenarios with its 1,070 watt-hours Life P04 battery, 1,500 watts AC output, and ultra-fast 1-hour charging. Whether you're keeping lights on during a blackout, running a solar setup at a remote cabin, or powering a tailgate party, one station handles it all. That is the real value of choosing a versatile, well-spec'd unit from the start, instead of buying 3 cheap ones that each fail you. Why trust PortablePowerLife? Because the site is built on one principle: practical, honest guidance with no brand favoritism and no sponsored recommendations. Every review follows a clear process. Identify your real needs, evaluate safety and performance specs, test at small scale, then scale up confidently. The Brands and Comparisons Hub includes quick picks, key terms explained in plain language, common mistakes to avoid, pro tips, and a full decision checklist. This is not a sponsored listicle. It is a structured decision framework built for people who want to get it right the first time and not waste a single dollar. You now have the framework: Life EPO4 chemistry, 1 at 1500 watts output, 1 hour charging, and multi-scenario versatility. Those are your 4 non-negotiables. Do not waste another hour comparing random specs on brand websites. Go to PortablePowerLife.com brands-comparison/right now. Use the quick picks to find your match in under 5 minutes. Read the latest guides, follow the checklist. The full Brands and Comparisons Hub is free, honest, and built to get you to the right answer fast. Drop your questions in the comments below and subscribe. New deep dive comparisons drop every single week.